Welcome to third episode of My Bauji and his unique way to turn a big no into super yes. Some moments in our life become unforgettable. I also remember one such moment of my miraculous high energy, about which I used to talk in my Inner Alchemy videos related to physical and mental fitness and the Karvartika series. A few days ago, I had an important meeting 70 kilometers away from my home and suddenly got a high fever and headache. I had almost surrendered to the illness and decided not to attend that meeting. But suddenly, I recalled an incident when I was in 7th standard. That time, I had caught a high fever just a night before my final examination. Though I had prepared well in advance and completed my revision also. But severe stomach pain was not allowing me to even get up from bed. 2 hours before the exam, my Bauji came to me, placed his gentle hands on my forehead and said, "Listen carefully. First, forget that you have to appear for any examination. Second, think that you are not the body, you are the soul. Your soul is the part of supreme energy which never feels any pain. So it is only the body that is feeling pain and sending signals to the mind that you are ill. If your mind will be connected to your soul energy, which is a part of the universal energy, then with the help of this tremendous energy, mind will discard the body's theory that the body is ill. There is no meaning of a little bodily illness when the soul has greater energy." He made me recall this affirmation 10 times until I absorbed it. To my surprise, after an hour, I got ready for the exam with a smiling face. No pain, no fever. That day I felt how the energy of soul was transferred to the mind, resulting into strong determination. That was real learning and a real life exam. After examination, I came home without any fever, pain, or tiredness. I was as fresh as if I had woken up after deep sleep. My energy level was very good because I attempted the exam without any fear and doubt. In fact, there was deep gratitude for the supreme energy. That day I realized that it is an illusion that our body creates, and because of this illusion we never recognize the energy of the soul. I recollected this incident and went to attend the meeting. I not only attended the meeting but also addressed the gathering with confidence. The purpose of sharing this story is so that whenever someone listens to it, their big no for any work in any specific circumstance will convert into a super yes. Every person has tremendous positive energy, but this is hidden. Why? Because the mind is controlled by the body in maximum cases. As soon as the mind is guided and directed by the soul instead of the body, that hidden energy will be revealed. Then we not only complete a task but complete an impossible task with good energy. Because now we become aware of our own source of energy. Then we are able to become one with our vast energy and complete tasks that seems impossible. Lord Krishna has also mentioned the same in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. इंद्रियाणि पराण्याहुः इंद्रियेभ्यः परं मनः मनसस्तु परं बुद्धिः यो बुद्धे परतस्तु सः. Means the senses are superior to the body and mind is superior to the senses. Intellect is superior to the mind and soul is superior than intellect. My Babaji says it is the body that imagines, the mind that absorbs and makes a way for it, and soul provides the energy to execute it. So, thank you so much for listening. We'll meet you again in the next episode and we'll try to share such a valuable lesson which will you will listen and apply in your life can help you to attain the heights of real success and sustainable happiness. Thank you once again.